What is an advertiser? Key insights for IELTS success. Imagine a world without advertisements. No billboards, no commercials, no pop-ups. Sounds peaceful, right? But who creates all these ads that surround us daily? That's where our word of the day comes in. Advertiser. Word type. Advertiser is a noun. It's pronounced advertiser with the stress on the second syllable. Meaning, an advertiser is a person or company that promotes products, services, or ideas through various media channels to attract potential customers or supporters. These individuals or entities are responsible for creating and placing advertisements to increase awareness, generate interest, and ultimately drive sales or engagement. Word history. The term advertiser comes from the verb advertise, which has its roots in the Latin word advertere, meaning to turn toward or to take notice of. The suffix "er" is added to denote the person or entity performing the action. The concept of advertising dates back to ancient civilizations, but the role of the advertiser as we know it today emerged with the rise of mass media in the 19th and 20th centuries. Antonyms. While there isn't a direct antonym for advertiser, we can consider some related contrasts. These might include consumer, audience, or target market, as they represent the opposite end of the advertising spectrum. Synonyms. Some synonyms for advertiser include promoter, marketer, publicist, and ad agency. Each of these terms relates to the broader field of marketing and promotion, though they may have slightly different nuances or specializations. Examples used in sentences. The successful advertiser created a campaign that resonated with millennials, significantly boosting brand awareness. As a small business owner, she became her own advertiser, learning to promote her products on social media platforms. The magazine offered discounted rates to attract more advertisers during the economic downturn. Common errors in use. One common mistake is confusing advertiser with advertising agency. An advertiser is the client who pays for advertising services, while an advertising agency is the company that creates and manages ad campaigns for clients. Another error is using advertiser interchangeably with marketer. While there's overlap, marketing encompasses a broader range of activities beyond just advertising. In today's digital age, the role of the advertiser has evolved dramatically. From traditional print and television ads to sophisticated online campaigns, advertisers must constantly adapt to new technologies and changing consumer behaviors. Understanding the term advertiser and its implications is crucial for anyone aiming to excel in IELTS, especially when discussing topics related to media, business, or consumer culture. By mastering this vocabulary, you're not just learning a word, you're gaining insight into a fundamental aspect of modern commerce and communication.